I'm making some more ghee, and this is 4.5 blocks of unsalted butter. So I've just let it all melt, and I'm just simmering it. So we'll take about 20 minutes of simmering, and all the sediments will go to the bottom. So it's really bubbling up now. Just keep stirring it. Don't do what I did once and go to the toilet. I think you can have a long number 2 while you're making ghee. It absolutely went everywhere, all over the cooker and onto the floor. So don't do what I did. So I've simmered it down to a really low heat. So all these milk solids, it's all on the top, all the bubbles. That's just going to disperse to the side, and then when you pour it out, it'll all be at the bottom of the pan. And when you use a metal sieve to extract the clarified butter, all the sediments will just stay at the top of the sieve or at the bottom of the pan. This is why you don't want to leave it, because the pan can burn. So yeah, it's getting better. It's looking better. Just keep at this. Keep letting it do its work. Beautiful golden clarified butter. I tried to follow someone's instructions once, which was to take all these white bits out, but I ended up taking out like a lot of the products, so I just leave it now and just let it get to the sides, and then I just take it off the heat, and then, you know, let it stand for a couple of minutes, and then just pour it into a glass jar through a metal sieve. So this is how it looks after about 15 minutes. So it's getting more goldeny. I'm not stirring it as much. And yeah, I'll be ready in a few minutes. And I'll show you the process of how I put it into a jar. Thank you. Right, so this is a nice, beautiful golden colour now. So I don't want it burning, so I'm going to take it off the heat now and just let it just cool down for a few minutes. So I just want to get closer and just, can you see that all the milk matter has gone to the bottom of the pan? That's brilliant. That's what we want. Beautiful golden colour. It doesn't smell that good, the kitchen, but oh well, it's a great product to be frying with and cooking with, ghee. Okay, this is the ghee. I'm just pouring it into a jar. Make sure you're using a jar that's big enough. And then all the milk solids will just come to the top. So you need to use a metal sieve because it's very hot. If you use a plastic sieve, it'll just melt it. So that's it. And that's the clarified butter. Thank you for watching. It's a beautiful ghee that I made today, and I've been using it in my chickpea curry and my spicy rice. And yeah, it's great. I'm going to keep it in the fridge so it'll harden. I can also use it in recipes, you know, to put in cakes instead of butter. Thanks for watching.